wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth with soap. I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap.
Best friend. Hey, excuse me. What did you just call her? Best friend? Who's asking? Me, bitch. And no, she's not your best friend. She can be your friend, but that's my best friend. The fuck? I've known her for 2 years. No, and I've known her for 300 years. How about that? Oh my god, we can both be her best friend. No, the fuck? What is this, a KFC share box? I don't really care. I'll call her best friend whenever I want. Call her best friend again. I dare you. Okay. Best friend.